Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do experiment on galvanic cell. So this is what we need: analog multimeter, and then a beaker of 50 milliliter. Okay, then a spoon, a graphite, and then a magnesium, and then sodium bicarbonate. Okay, sodium bicarbonate. So first, what you need to do is we need a 50 milliliter water into this. So let's do this. Okay, good. And then we need a half teaspoon of this sodium bicarbonate. Okay, let's put it aside. Okay, and then what we need to do is that we will put this terminal negative, which is an anode. We will put this terminal negative with this magnesium. Okay, meanwhile for this red color, it is a terminal positive and also known as anode. So we will insert it into that one. Okay, so just before that, and I have something interesting to let you guys know. If you guys are using the same multimeter as me, you can turn it into bus. Okay, the bus, and then you can do this. Yeah, yeah, it's quite fun, man. Okay, this is just a fun fact. Okay, and then my range, I will put it to for 10. So because I believe it's not going to be too high. Okay, magnesium will be the one that oxidize. Okay, so it will undergo oxidation at anode. And then for graphite, it is the reduction side. Okay, so we just put it here, and then we can insert it into water. So this is all from me, guys. Thanks for watching.